My favorite biblical quotation about the mission is, "How beautiful are the feet. How beautiful are the feet of those who preach the gospel. But how can the people call to God if they have not believed? How can the people believe if they have not heard the message? How can they hear the message if the message has not been proclaimed? And how can the message be proclaimed if the messengers are not sent?" My dear seminarians, my dear people of God, the church is a missionary church. All the apostles became missionaries except one, who chose to become a traitor. The church ceases to be a church if it is not a missionary church. Mission is not something that the church does. Mission is what the church is. Mission is the grace of the church. Mission is the vocation of the church. And the church exists in order to serve the mission.